This home is a rare find, situated on a premium lot with a backyard oasis backing nature trails in the established community of Forest Creek in Stittsville. This 4-bed plus 1, 4-bath home has been tastefully updated from top to bottom and is sure to check all the boxes off on your wish list. Hey everyone, Jason Pilon here with the Pilon Group at RE/MAX Hallmark. Today we're in Ottawa's West End, and do I have something special for you? Welcome to 25 Forest Creek Drive. Let's take a tour.